Hey Flay man, कैसा है?
Hey man,
How are you bro?
Good, thank you.
New car, huh? Not
Thank
bad.
you, thank you.
Which model is this?
This is the Kia Seltos HTX.
HTX, the value for money model.
Absolute
The new
bro.
Kia Seltos.
Absolute.
When did you
value
buy?
for money. I bought this maybe a month back.
1 month back.
1 month back, bro.
Nice man, panoramic sunroof, leatherite seat,
Yes.
everything all hoity-toity.
Yes,
Android
yes.
Auto, CarPlay, wireless.
Arey, no, bro.
Why?
Too good to be true. It's not
Why?
wireless.
What do you think? The base model gets wireless.
This one doesn't get, bro. And I am confused. I'm very upset because I don't know how to work. You know.
I understand
my
your pain.
Android and-
And are you also driving a car with a wired Android Auto and CarPlay? Well, I have a solution for you and for my friend Flavian.
Really?
So I have a surprise for you. गाड़ी के अंदर चल, तेरे को दिखाता हूँ.
All right.
भाई, first of all, your car is premium. Kia Seltos वालों, your car looks so premium, man. It's such a big, massive space वाला car. अफसोस कि तेरा पास में Android Auto नहीं है, wireless. Sorry, I feel for you, and that is why I have this for you. Autocast Play to Video Pro. ले पकड़. This is my gift for you for your new car.
Oh.
Yeah. Any
Autocast,
idea what this
Play
is?
to video. Well, by the name, it looks like a cast,
Correct.
but I've never used one of this. How is it?
So let me tell you. So this is Autocast का and this is a sponsored video. मैं पहले बता दूं भाई, वरना बोलेंगे बिल्कुल. But I will not sponsor any video for the sake of it. So this is Autocast का Play 2 Pro and this is a casting video. So it will basically just turn your wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay into wireless. But ऐसा बहुत सारा product is there in the market. So why does this become unique? Let's find out. So this is how the product looks like. Simply, it's a small product and you just need to connect with your C type to A type. In the box, you also get a C type to C type. So that is also good. So you simply connect it and you leave it here. And we have already done the setting, guys. So आप लोग का time बचाने के लिए हमने setting जो है वो complete कर दी है. So let me just show you how it looks. So the moment you connect it, it will adapt to the resolution of your infotainment system. That's what happened. So first time when it was getting connected, right, Flavian, it was showing like very cheap quality, but now it quickly readapted itself
Right.
to the resolution of your infotainment system, and now it's wireless. And I believe your phone is connected.
That's right.
Okay, so let's check out the Apple CarPlay, and pretty smooth. Why don't you try it yourself, man?
Yeah. Wow.
What wow, you're not even doing it. ठीक से कर, तेरा screen थोड़ा ना टूटेगा भाई.
Nahi. I can see.
So
It's
just
smooth.
just give a command or something, maybe a map or something.
Hey Siri. Open Google Map. Wow.
Not bad, right?
Very impressive.
You want to go home, all you need to do is this, and you're on your way home,
Head south, then slide left.
Wow. That's nice.
right? Let's check the quality of music. NCS. So let's just listen to this. Volume.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
So how do you think about the music quality?
Impressive.
Because generally what I have seen is when you use a cheap quality cast, it the music quality is bad
Gets
and
compressed.
it hangs and it lags.
Yeah.
But let's check out some interesting stuff. Now, statutory warning before that. Do not play YouTube or any video while you're driving. But I understand the whole idea why this has been designed is so that, you know, you can play YouTube if you're traveling with family. But you as a driver should not get distracted. Okay. So let's play one of my
अगर
videos.
कोई आज के डेट में प्रो खरीदना भी चाहता है, इस ओनरशिप रिव्यू से प्रो खरीदने वालों को भी काफी हेल्प हो जाएगी. लगता है कि विंडसर वाले ना बड़े दिल वाले होते हैं.
थोड़े लॉन्ग ट्रिप्स हुए, जैसे बैंगलोर से मेरा लॉन्ग ट्रिप बॉम्बे तक हो चुका है.
ओके,
उसके बाद मैंने काफी रिव्यूज देखे ऑनलाइन जहां लोग बोलने लगे कि रोड नॉइज बहुत
So obviously we're not going to play the whole video, but Flay, what do you think? Please tell our viewers over here, what do you think about the video quality and what do you think about this product? Would you like to use it? Would you like to recommend? Then we're going to talk about the price and everything.
No, I think this is really amazing, guys. Because I'm being able to see it, firsthand, up close and personal. I think the video quality is
Yeah,
top notch.
top notch.
It is absolutely high definition. The audio quality is also very good.
A lot of credit goes to the speakers also.
Of course, but like you mentioned earlier that many of these cast, they compress the audio
Yeah.
quality, so it doesn't come out that well. But this is amazing. From whatever I am seeing right now, the quality, the picture quality is top notch.
Superb. So Autocast Play 2 Pro, it costs around 7.5 or 8 on Amazon. There is a affiliate link in the description. If you want to buy this guy, I will not market anything which is not good. So this is a good stuff, especially for people who are looking to buy something, a casting device for their wireless Android
Absolutely.
Auto and CarPlay.
Absolutely.
But yeah, I mean, just one more test. Let's just do if it is okay with Android Auto or not, because most of the CarPlays are good with Apple CarPlay. But let's just see if it is also supporting Android Auto or not. So I'm going to test that and I'm going to show you. So unlike many casting devices, generally they all cast to Apple phones, but this is also casting with my Samsung, as you can clearly see. If this thing is coming, don't mind that. It's a little doggy. So Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both good. And again, I told you the cost. There is an affiliate link right there in the description. Flay, I hope use this for some time. I'm going to give it to him. Basically, I bought it for myself, but it's not working with my Nexon EV since it already has the wireless Apple CarPlay. So I'm going to leave this with him. मैंने बोला था इसको गिफ्ट दूंगा, बट कोई गिफ्ट नहीं है भाई. थोड़ा दिन के लिए चला, यूज कर, and if you like it, then you buy it, so that I can give it to someone else to use it. It's not going to come in my use. So let me see if people can use it and if they find utility
Correct.
from it. Okay. कैसी लगी वीडियो? हटके थी यार, अपने नॉर्मल इस तरह का वीडियो बनाते नहीं. दिस इज फ्ले बॉय फॉर यू. यू हैव अ यूट्यूब चैनल एज वेल, राइट?
That's right.
So I'm going to link his YouTube channel in my description as well. He's a musician, great artist. I love his music and you should check it out too. This is Nikhil and Flavian signing off for now. मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द next video में. Take care. God bless. Love you guys. Camera. Check sound. Bull check.
Check.
Okay. Action. ए भाई फ्लेवियन, नया गाड़ी लिया क्या?
Thanks, भाई.
मस्त गाड़ी लिया भाई. कौन सा मॉडल है?
Kia Seltos HTX.
नया वाला मॉडल ना?
Yes, bro.
हेवी गाड़ी है भाई. बहुत
Alloy wheels.
बढ़िया है. एंड्रॉइड ऑटो,
हाँ,
CarPlay,
वो
वायरलेस.
अरे यार मत बोल.
भाई?
इसी बात को लेके परेशान है भाई.
Why?
It's not wireless.
What are you saying, man?
Apple CarPlay is not wireless, man.
What a lovely car. रुक फिर से करना होगा. रोल कैमरा. सब्सक्राइब मार कमीना.
लॉगिन तो करना पड़ेगा इसमें. सब्सक्राइब ऑलरेडी है बे.
Back.
I'm not logged in. You need
Oh
to
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm already subscribed, bro.